everybody, January 30th, 2022, up here in Cape Breton on the Bedore Lakes. Windy as hell, post nor'easter came through. So we're going to try and see if we can catch fish. Got my son Hayden and my nephew Cohen with me, and my twin brother. We're over here. Heading out into the blustery wind. We'll see if we catch anything. Blustery. We got the tent set up, as you can see behind me. Over this way, you can see my brother's tent. Yeah, I think you can see it back there. Anyway, we're hoping to catch some rainbows, maybe some smelts, could be browns, stripers around. We'll see. There's Hayden. Say hi, Hayden. Hi. All right, we'll turn her back on if we get any bites.
Great.
Well, we're catching some smelts here. No trout yet.
Man had the whole damn shrimp in his mouth. I do it. Calm down, little guy.
Okay, just taking one off. We got let a few go so far. We got 5 big ones.
Is that a big one? I guess that's a keeper. Jeez, this one's still alive. Actually, that one's smaller than most of mine. This guy's still alive because I'll let this guy go. Oh yeah, he's alive. Alright, good. I was gonna say I was gonna let that guy go because he's not very big. There it is, look. Looky look. Oh wait, I think, oh, I only have one piece. Oh no. Maybe I'll still grab it. Okay, he's right there. Oh, I missed him. Oh, I missed him. Oh, I thought he was gonna go get it. It's kind of pissed off. Kind of pissing off right now. Oh, I got one. Not anymore. Wow, that's great.
I do. Oh, I had one. Oh.
Damn it. Oh wait, there's probably more bait on. Actually.
Some right there.
Shrimp looks great. Got the shrimp.
Well, my brother just caught the first rainbow. We're still smacking the smelts here. So we're going to keep fishing. We'll try to keep taking video when we get on them.
My shrimp keeps falling off. That's the bad part. Maybe. Oh, look at that.
Sure. What? Look at him go. The speckle. Nice. Out the door. I'll let him go here. Okay. Camera's rolling. I'm showing the
smashed it.
Oh, nice.
That's a nice size
Put up the
shrimp.
camera, show him.
Yeah, nice.
Nice brookie. Beautiful fish. We're gonna let him go.
Yep.
There you go, buddy. Here he goes. It's good. We're catching the trout now.
Just smashed it. All right, let's go back home and fish. We're not going over there now.
Lucy Bushcrafting Outdoors. Like and subscribe. We're still hitting the smelts. No more trout yet.
Look at how many there are. Do I have one?
Yep.
I guess I do.
There we go.
That was a big
Aiden's
one.
got another smelt.
That was a nice one. That piece still stands.
Good. Hayden here's just killing the smelts.
Did I keep this one? That'd be good. No, this one little chunk has been catching me a ton. So I'm chucking. I can't see. Shrimp.
Got one. Oh, he got off. Oh.
Oh, little bugger. Little buddy got off.
We have a little camera here set up too in the water, and you can see the smelt swimming. So Hayden gets a good idea when they're coming to his, gives him a heads up.
Got one?
I had a nibble.
Oh, nice. That one.
Must have a small one bumping mine. There's a small one nibbling mine. Oh, didn't get him on that one.
I just don't know where my I don't know if I'm on the bottom or not.
I can tell on mine because I can look on the graph here. Oh, Hayden's got another one. That's a nice one.
That was a nice one, yeah. Damn, does my little piece of shrimp still stand? Calm down, buddy. Calm down. Oh no.
Oh. Oh, he got off again.
That one's a big one.
Must have some small ones grabbing mine. So we're fishing in about 11 feet of water roughly here.
I thought there was like 8.
And it's in a channel off of the, I got one here, off of the, oh, he got off again. We got a tangle here we gotta fix.
I'm still trying to eat my damn bait. Little butter? Yeah, this was tangled up a little bit.
Nope.
Got one?
Yeah. Another one. Small guy.
What the hell's going on here? They got a damn...
Oh, no, wrong way, dude. Not that way
What
either.
is going on here?
There you go. Found his way.
What is going on? What the... Can you tell me what's going on here? Oh. That is what's going on here. Come on, little trout. Come out to play.
Yes, that's my son.
Alright, what? Now you just gotta tell them to come.
Another one.
Maybe they might.
Our trout.
Trout, where are you? What? But you know, like that? Look at this little smelt right here. What a dummy. He's about to grab it. Watch this. Oh, you little stinker. Grab my bait. What are you doing there, bud? Man, the camera's moving again.
Yeah. Yep. That's a nice one.
Oh, this dude's about to eat it.
He's coming for it. Oh, he went after it.
Well, we're ending the day here. Turned out nice, but it's pretty cold. Had to do it on the iPhone here in the end because the batteries died. Anyway, we're on our way out. Well, the GoPro died. We're ending our day with the iPhone 13 Pro here. So we're all in the truck. We caught 2 nice trout. Well, the one I had, big one I had flipped off right at the hole. But we caught a lot of smelts, so we'll munch on those. But that was a good day. The temperature's dropping though. But overall, it was really good. So like and subscribe. Thanks. Lucy out.